Your car is more than just a vehicle. It's a reflection of your style and personality. And when it comes to keeping your car looking its best, you deserve the best. Do you want to impress your passengers with a clean and pristine interior, but you don't have the time or expertise to do it yourself? Introducing our high-end interior car detailing service. Our team of experienced professionals uses only the finest products and techniques to make your car look and feel like it's new. We pay attention to every detail, from the leather seat to the dashboard, ensuring that every surface is spotless and free of dust and debris. Our high-end car interior detailing service not only improves the appearance of your car, but it also protects your investment by prolonging the life of your upholstery and interior components. Don't settle for a subpar car interior. Treat yourself and your car to the best with our high-end car interior service detail. We know your time is precious, and that's why we can perform the service at your home or business place at a time that suits your needs and schedule. Why not reserve today by filling the appointment request form on the website? We're looking forward to making your vehicle feel like you just purchased it.